Chizoba ngam chekweli. Anya miliki na areshishin. Yay! Nekwe na anya o. This is not the time to cry, but to change. Ibo nwekiti ya debara gị na mma. Ivi di kita wo ka emegene de ka igbanwe omefu gị. Maka na omefu na-emeso di u Frederick odira mma. Ibo nwere na kita ba ifu ive niile. Agaba nke ọma. Di ga tadukweli. Inania. Because I strongly believe that you were the one who gave your husband the room to bring in your friend to his house. Assuming you left your marriage the way God kept it, nobody will tamper with your marriage. Onwere premier maka na onwere onye mmebili nkie, onwere onye ngasali nkie. So nobody will scatter my daughter's marriage. No man born of a woman can do that. What are you getting me? Just stop crying. Ibes kwana akwa. Ivi ni dikita ngwanwe. Maka na di iwe ezigbo mmadu. Ihe niile na-emeghe isi n'aka. Mana na agwa nyere na ire kita na ọ chajago kita. Ire na ọ chaja ani. O wonu n'anya. Mgbo. Ibesine. Ozugo. Iyo ngwa oju anya ana adoghi eju. Iwure aba anu na anya mmiri after ago ire shishira ga anya mmiri. Ozugo. Inugo. Ozugo.
Your husband, for goodness sake. We've been married for a while now. If I touch you, you will not agree. What do you want me to do?
A man that rushes back home is a man that knows that when he gets home, there's a child or children waiting to welcome him at home.
If marriage is not for making children, what else is marriage for? Chizoba, ibudo wanje. Your
mother is a very good friend of mine and she's a decent woman. I don't know where you learn all this life from. You have to mellow down. Jikwani amayoka ofelola oru gini.
Ndị Igbo tụrụ ini wee sị na ijiji na-anara anụ ndụmọdụ na ọ na-esokwa ozu wee na-eme gịnị wee ebe a na-anụ inyi egbotidie ya na ozu.
post it now. If I hear him, I'll send you back.
Madam Trouble. I been a Madam Cell. Which one are you? Your sister don't bail you, I been your friend. Yeah? Go home and make another trouble. I know that you must come back here. Yeah? Go home and make another trouble, you come back. Police are your friend. Go home.
Nke ka ndị ụka na-akpọ restitution. Mana eziokwu now. Amakwa m onye pichiri gị ji wee chigharị otu a. Zeki, please biko take me to that place I want to change to. I want to repent. Zeki. Hey, Jesus.
My dear, nobody preached to me. I just decided to repent. You know that I've done a lot of evil things. And now I've repented. My heart has been at peace. I'm so happy now.
Is this Zeki that is saying this or what? Wait. Is it that is saying wait, who are you? Who are you, Zeki? No, who are you? Are they Kwensu Dikai? The first child of Satan himself. Change? Shall we go to Zeki? And I try Igwamna that Satan does not have anybody again.
Mbanon.
Nekwese was in Madu.
Oh, yes.
Hey! I want to see that person. Zeki has changed, it's true.
I've changed for good.
I want to change too. Zeki, you're taking me there.
All right.
Hey.
Unless I forget, tomorrow we are going to Bell Evans.
Zeki, stop playing, Joe.
I'm not playing.
Stop playing.
I'm not playing.
Wait, no, okay, wait. For real.
For real.
You're going to Bell Evans?
Yes.
Hey, Zeki has really changed.
You know,
Hey,
that guy has really suffered because of me. And I'm not really happy about that. And I believe that when I bail him, he will change. He will be a good boy. So that my heart can be at rest. Honestly.
She has changed. She has really changed. Wow. What are we now waiting for? I can't wait to go tomorrow. Zeki. Hey, God. No problem. I'm really happy, man.
Oh, my son. You're welcome. Thank you very much.
No.
As you know, I'm Chief Ubud, a friend to your daughter. Yeah, I'm here because I had problems with my wife. You know, I was into a relationship with your daughter.
With my own daughter?
Yes. So it caused a very big problem in my home between me and my wife. So, but thank God today we have reconciled. We reconciled because your daughter intervened and played an important role for our reconciliation. So we are now together and we are here to thank her for playing such role. So that's why we're here.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank God for everything.
Why? You came with this little token to hand it over to you, sir.
Hey, Mumwa.
Hey, Nani. Hey. Envelope nke kokwela ahụ.
Hey! Chukwu kabiama. Ekenekwe ngu kene iwe nini na-eme.
Hey! Marize.
We are sorry for everything that happens. Just take it away with it.
Sekulunana.
Nsogbu
Sekulunana ka ikpelu na ekpele.
Oh, okay.
Education one. I really thank you so much for what you done for me. My God will reward you wonderfully. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Is that right? I only want you to be a good boy. If you always dress like a criminal, criminality will possess you. Just promise me that you will change.
Don't worry yourself. From today on, I'm now a changed person. I promise you that. Yes, just mark my word.
You better.
Just mark my word.
You better.
I will.
Because if Idikashawai opens a church, I'm sure going to be a member. You know now.
Yeah, I understand.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Lest I forget. Remember, the IPO said you return on Monday. Uncle, Mama, I know I have troubled you both. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Because I am sorry.
Hey! Oh!
Hey!
Oliseblo, Kabiama.
Chukwu na-egekwe. Na-anụkwa na nwa m na ya ọzọ mgbe.
To be candid, precisely speaking, I know a day like this will come. Eh? God is able to do everything. You see, there's only one thing you will do for me. Now just to show me really that you mean what you are talking about.
Uncle, what is it?
What is it?
You want to know what is it?
Yes, Uncle.
Just to go and forgive your husband. The moment you do that, now everything is here.
Uncle, I have forgiven him already.
Oh!
Yes, Uncle.
Where's Oku?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, Aligo. Digi. Mbu Frederick Ogom. Hey, Chineke. Chukwu na-egekwe.
And he said,
Chukwu obibi ọmụ na-egekwe.
Chineke biko deme. Chukwu deme. Oshitaduwa mana ọdụwa gbo.
Hey! Chukwu arize. Arize Chukwu. Ịmakwa na ife na-enkwere omume na Chineke na-eme owe kwa omume. Chukwu azago m ekpele. Anya aba niile na amụ. Akwa m anya mmiri m. Oh, Chukwu ekene dele gị. Ekene dele Chukwu. Nwa m gwabie ni mama.
So I am coming back now as a happy man.
Ogomo! Hey! Arize Chukwu.
But there is one more thing I want you to do for me.
Uncle, what is it?
Right. I assure you that the moment you did this now, since your husband has paid everything as dowry on you, automatically whatever that is concerns your body belongs to him. So mbona you wake up, mona you, mona ngashi. Show no me, nyenye wienya.
Inenye iru n'azụ.
Iwe bụ na ọ chọrọ.
Inye SS.
No mkpari amu ka eji akparịta nwa. Unu kparịta nwa na iwe ji achọrọ anụ enyi bụ maka ezi ọ bụrụ maka anụ ya. Anụ ya ara atọ ụtọ. Ezi ahụ bụ gịnị? Nke iwe abụla anya.
Ị na-asali ya Baịbụl oge ọbụla ji chaa ịgụ ya.
Achọrọ m ka amụ ya mgbe alụ nwa ka ọ dụzala etu anwa wee gawa.
Ị na-agbụsali ya amụ. Ịmara na ụmụ bọnshọt ị na-eyiche, ụmụ pantị ị na-ichele excessive alaghị aftacha ebe niile aftacha nwoke anọziala ọ na-enyo emechezi gba gị aka ishi mba. Ịmara na ọ dabara mgbe ihe niile kenyichele ọ bịazi ishi mba bịara na-esali ya Baịbụl. Na-ele nshenye nna gị mụ na ya ji wee ndị ya mụtacha n'unu mụ na ya ji wee bili n'udo mmadụ ara na-akọ m na ya na-abụ mgbe obodo jicha sali ya Baịbụl ezigbo ngwa ka o wee na-apị n'ime ego ọ na-apị m mekwara ị na-aga ogo ma abalị n'one ọgọ m enyere m ego onye mara ogo m gaghị m na-eji emenwe ozi m
nya mgbe ọ bụla imerie wee bụ m ị ga-echeta na nwanne nna gị ka nwụ. Udo dịrị m.
Nwa m ọkpara mkparị amụ ka eji akparịta nwa ọnwụ na-akparịra ara akparịta maka ịma na the problem you have with your husband is the problem of child, not having a child for him. Maka na ị na-ajụ ya njọ ire mana ikwe ọbịa kparịsara gị amụ ịkparịsara ya ọfụma ya ka ọfụma ịsali ya Baịbụl ụrụ wee kparịtalụ m nwa udo dị mbịa na ọmụgọ nọ mbịa nukwu nwa
Mama, ị ga-abịa.
Hey, Chineke nara ize
So I didn't even let her call them when I said I was going to do that. But later in the night, the call entered. I was shocked. I couldn't I couldn't believe my eyes. Suddenly did you? This is not true.
What's with that?
Hey, Jude is getting married.
Our own Jude.
Why are you sounding like you're not happy for him? What's the problem? Wait. This guy did a lot for you on your own now. What's up, guy?
Wait now.
See now, see Jude is getting married. See, look. God, man, this is awesome.
They are not sent to me, oh.
I know you definitely now. Will send to you. No be on. Why they talk like this? After everything we don't do for a wedding, you know how that you really try for your wedding.
I know. Say me too. Promise. I'll say we go come a wedding. We go do. In fact,
now go storm it.
Zeki talk. Even Zeki said that we attend together.
Zeki talk
the wedding go day. I'm telling you.
You see, you have to actually be in that wedding. Yes. Once you get the invitation, no matter whatever it is, you just need to be in that venue.
Abi?
Yes, you just have to.
I wish he was around.
I understand.
But it's not so late. Please forgive me that I didn't understand. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on. Please, I'm sorry.
Come on, Echo, we can do this. What's up? You understand?
I'm sorry. Please.
Come on. Come on.
I'm sorry.
When did you die last?
Papa, Mama, please, I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Please, I'm sorry, forgive me.
Papa, Mama, actually, my wife is a changed person. At least we've been living for some time now, and I can say authoritatively that she has changed.
Boom! Amen. Boom!
And as I'm talking to you right now, my wife, she has taken it.
Is it?
All the
Is it? She's carrying our baby. My wife. So, I am going to be a grandmother.
Yeah.
Okay. No, Mother Nabo.
Yes, Mama.
Get up. Oh my God. Oh, I'll become a grandmother. Thank you. Sit down, my daughter. Sit down. Oh my God. Hey.
Kita kanga wa mama ya sirigi akaga.
Ay mama. Ameshie.
Ya si mama ya sirigi akaga. Do you know the meaning of akaga? You know the meaning of akaga? Akaga means populated soup. Hey! Populated soup.
Dry fish. Hey.
Populated soup. Hey.
See that I told you yesterday?
Hey, it's true. Hi.
See, the guy jumping around.
You said yesterday, but I doubted.
Doubt.
Hi. Just look at this one.
What happened?
Hi. Come in. Who do I have here?
Let's banana.
Hello, Fred.
Yeah, good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. What a surprise visit. How's everything?
I'm good.
Oh,
I'm family.
we're fine.
I'm Ejima. Me put go over I dey push. Yeah, we wait up.
One item, nkunye gi bo.
Okay. My God.
Okay. You're welcome.
Mr. Fred.
Yeah. Okay. Ah, careful. No. Evans, get up. Get up first. I know they hear anything. Get up. Get up. Ha, am I God?
Please, Mr. Fred. Please, I want you to forgive me.
But forgiveness is just
For all the wrong that I've done to you, please, sir.
forget it. Evans, you see me, eh? My heart is so full that I can't add too much burden to it. No. How about all the sins? Forgiving me sins. Because
Wow. Yeah. Thank you so much. You're a very nice person. Yeah. You have a good heart. God bless you. And thank you for forgiving me as well. I'm really grateful.
what can I do?
God bless you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, enough of this this drama. Okay? We brought a great news for you guys. A wonderful news.
Really?
You like it?
I like good news. Please, I like
Please share it with us.
So, I and Evans, we're getting married.
Okotoreba. Okay. If I say the bad, okay, see you are a bad guy.
Yes, he proposed to me.
Really?
So,
So you people have been doing meandering.
Oh.
I was suspecting them that time. I was suspecting, but let me just keep quiet. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever.
Iman, even only rule all the apples.
I'm bad. Get us
So,
Yes.
we came to discuss our baptism and we concluded that we'll complete with you to sponsor it for us.
Also,
Yes.
gladly I will. Gladly we will be your sponsors. Can you look on them?
Hey.
Hey, 18 years. Arizona.
Oh, thank you.
Hey,
Just follow me and come to your brother.
I will stand for you. I will stand behind you. So also I will not stand inside you, come now. You are so funny. Please, this calls for celebration.
Yeah.
What do I get you? In fact, don't tell me what you. Don't tell me.
Like, seriously.
What in the kitchen?
I know they will like it.
Listen, would you?
How many did you buy?
Oh, one of them.
How many did
Mr. Fred.
Nwoke ka ịbụ ịzọpụrụ ije ụkwụ ntecha bọọgụ wepụ ntị ka
Zeki, where are you? Come. They are gossiping about me. Zeki, where are you? Oh?
I'm coming.
I should my help.
You know what I mean? You gotta go
Zeki now.
Swatch. Udo! Udo! Come here. Go and get Madam's bag in her room. Packed bag.